A 2-year human trial conducted by James Cook University, JCU, has successfully used hookworms to prevent type 2 diabetes in participants with risk factors for cardiovascular disease and diabetes. Hookworms induce an anti-inflammatory response in their host, helping to suppress inflammation and maintain a healthy environment for themselves. The treatment also led to higher levels of cytokines, which trigger immune responses. Participants with hookworms reported improved moods and overall better health compared to the placebo group. Researchers are further investigating how hookworm therapy may benefit gut microbiome health by analyzing samples from participants who retain their worms. The success of the JCU trial suggests that live hookworm infection is safe and has potential beneficial effects on metabolic health. Dr. Paul Giacomin, a senior research fellow and immunologist, is considering the development of a treatment, possibly in tablet form, to provide the metabolic benefits of hookworm therapy without the need for infestation. Startup Thecatal introduces the Magic Fort, a hybrid ground tent that doubles as a vehicle garage for camping. Magic Fort accommodates up to 12 people and houses SUVs, trucks, or sedans inside the tent. The tent covers 431 sq ft, with multiple rooms for various activities and functions. Campers drive vehicles into the tent, set up an inflatable mattress on the roof, creating a loft. Straps secure the mattress, allowing the vehicle to be driven away without dismantling the loft. The tent includes changing, living, and entertainment areas, functioning as a ground tent too. Thecatal's Kickstarter offers Magic Fort at $2,499 and the Smart Shell Dome tent at $699. Questions arise about practicality and value, but Kickstarter campaign gains strong support. Frankie Zapata, known for his flyboard innovations, introduces the Zapata Air Scooter, a hybrid eVTOL aircraft. The air scooter is designed as a personal electric eVTOL with a hybrid propulsion system, offering over 2 hours of endurance. The eVTOL features a unique design with 8 carbon poles, extending from an egg-shaped pod, holding electric and hybrid propellers. The aircraft is meant to cruise at 80 km per hour, 50 miles per hour, and reach a top speed of around 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour. The hybrid propulsion system consists of 4 large propellers powered by separate turbine engines mounted underneath them. The aircraft's smaller electric props on the diagonal struts provide control, input response, and stabilization. Benefits of the hybrid system include longer endurance and reduced reliance on heavy battery packs. Drawbacks include potential noise and maintenance issues associated with turbine engines. The air scooter qualifies as an ultralight aircraft, not requiring a pilot's license to fly in the USA. Details about availability, flight testing, pricing, and purchasing are yet to be disclosed by Zapata. Researchers at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign have developed a coating for steam condenser pipes in power plants to enhance energy generation efficiency. The coating, made of fluorinated diamond-like carbon, FDLC, makes the pipes hydrophobic, causing condensed steam to form droplets and run off faster. The coating improved the pipe's heat transfer properties by a factor of 20, resulting in a 2% increase in overall efficiency. If all coal and natural gas power plants adopted this technology, global CO2 emissions could decrease by 460 million tons per year, saving 2 trillion gallons of cooling water and generating an extra 1,000 TWh of electricity. The FDLC coating was durability tested for 1,095 days and maintained function even after being scratched 5,000 times. Further testing in real-world industrial conditions is planned to assess its performance over 6 months. The researchers aim for the coating to be an economically viable solution for improving power plant efficiency, while renewable energy development continues. MIT scientists have developed Bright Marker, an invisible tagging system that embeds fluorescent tags into objects viewable through infrared cameras. Unlike visible QR codes, Bright Marker codes are hidden within objects, preventing tampering and improving aesthetics. The tags are embedded during 3D printing, using a software plugin and fluorescent filaments, emitting light at near-infrared wavelengths. They offer higher contrast compared to previous versions, infrared tags, enabling detection against various colors and backgrounds. Potential applications include tracking an object's history, authenticity verification, shipping monitoring, and VR motion tracking. The tags could be integrated into wearables for VR motion tracking and security purposes, but limitations exist as objects need specific 3D printing with embedded tags. Alzheimer's disease affects millions, leading to disruptions in circadian rhythms for around 80% of patients. UC San Diego researchers found that intermittent fasting focused on circadian rhythms in mice with Alzheimer's, corrected disruptions and improved cognitive function and memory. The fasting mice were fed during a 6-hour window each day, leading to better memory, reduced hyperactivity at night, regular sleep schedule, and fewer disruptions. Intermittent fasting is proposed as a promising strategy for addressing Alzheimer's symptoms and could be easily integrated into clinical treatment. If proven effective in humans, the fasting regimen led to changes in gene expression related to Alzheimer's and neuroinflammation, as well as a reduction in accumulated amyloid proteins in the brain. The findings pave the way for potential human clinical trials and suggest a lifestyle change, rather than medication. Researchers from KAIST have developed PIBOT, the world's first humanoid robot pilot. PIBOT can sit in a pilot's seat, manipulate cockpit switches, and use AI to memorize flight charts and emergency protocols. The humanoid design of PIBOT allows it to fly planes without requiring modifications to existing aircraft. PIBOT utilizes chat technology to remember aeronautical navigation charts and emergency procedures, enabling it to respond quickly to various situations. The robot's abilities have been tested in a flight simulator, and real-life tests in a light aircraft are planned. PIBOT's applications could extend beyond aviation, being used in various vehicles like cars and military trucks. The project is expected to be completed by 2026. With plans for commercialization in military and civilian sectors. Researchers at the University of Central Florida have developed a boron-rich photocatalyst with nanoscale defects that can split hydrocarbon chains like methane into harmless components. The catalyst uses sunlight and air-containing hydrocarbons as inputs to produce pure hydrogen and pure carbon as outputs. The process creates no carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide, making it environmentally friendly. The technology has the potential to produce greener hydrogen without water and directly capture atmospheric methane. The photocatalyst could lower the costs of energy-generating catalysts, expand the range of light frequencies they work with, and increase solar photocatalysis efficiency. The researchers are seeking licensing and sponsored research opportunities to advance the technology. The Barsees 360 is a new cocktail mixing automatic bartender designed for home use. Its halo-like form makes it suitable for living rooms as well as kitchens. The machine uses an app to connect to a library of cocktail recipes. Users pour up to 6 different liquors and mixers into canisters, enter the ingredients into the app, and select a cocktail from the curated menu. The Barsees 360 can adjust individual measurements to taste and learn preferences over time. While it lacks the capacity of the previous Barsees 2.0 design, the Barsees 360 offers a compact and stylish option at a lower price point. It weighs 10 pounds, 4.5 kilograms, and stands 17 inches, 43 centimeters tall. The Barsees 360 is available for pre-order with a 10% deposit, and deliveries are expected to start in October.